Hi everyone, today we'll be making colored ice cubes. By the end of this experiment, students will be able to create colored ice cubes, experiment mixing different colors, and understand how temperatures related to phase change, such as from a solid to a liquid. We will need a measuring cup or a glass of water if you don't have one, an ice cube tray, and some food colorings as well. Experiment methods. We will first pour the water into the ice cube tray and drop a different color into each space. Next, we will mix a few colors and analyze how the color changes. Afterwards, we will carefully carry the ice cube tray into the freezer and wait about 3 to 4 hours. And finally, we will take out the ice cubes from the tray and place 1 or 2 into a cup of water. For now, we'll be using a measuring cup. So we will carefully pour some water into our ice cube tray. If you drop some water outside of the tray, that is okay. We'll clean it up once we're done. And it's up to you whether you'd like big or small ice cubes. So depending on your preference, if you like it to be big, add more water, and if not, pour less. So once we're done pouring the water into the ice cube tray, we'll begin dropping the food coloring into the tray. The colors I'm using are yellow, blue, and green. The colors yellow and blue are the 2 of the 3 primary colors, and green is one of the few secondary colors. Don't be afraid to mix the colors. In fact, I encourage you to. Experiment with which colors make another. For example, mix 1 drop of red and 1 drop of yellow, or mix 2 drops of red and 1 drop of blue. Once we're done, we're going to carefully place the ice cube tray into the freezer. Water takes about 3 to 4 hours to freeze, so I'm going to set an alarm for 3.5 hours just so I can be between the 3 and 4 hours mark. And once the timer goes off, we will have our glass of water ready and take out the ice cube tray from the freezer and place it onto a flat surface. From here, we'll experiment mixing different colors. And for my first example, I chose the color blue to be my first color. I waited a few minutes just so the color from the ice cube can mix with the water, and afterwards I placed a green colored ice cube. The color went from a baby blue to a dark teal color, which looks really pretty. For my next example, I'll use yellow. After waiting for a few minutes, I'll then add in the green colored ice cube. The color switches from a yellow to a light green. How is this relevant to real life and chemistry? Ice is a solid water and ice melts at room temperature. Everything has a temperature that it can melt at. We see colors everywhere. Ice and water are the same molecules. Think of melting chocolate or ice cream. Metals melt at higher temperature. We melt metals to make things like spoons, cars, toys, and etc. Thank you.